Sid Khullar, go by Sid. I work as a Senior Director of Machine Learning R&D at Northvolt. The mission for the company is to build the world's greenest battery using a very sustainable supply chain as well as the whole vertical stack for battery manufacturing, including recycling. There's a lot of exciting academic work that's happening in the field. I'm interested in taking it to industrialization scale. So I'm interested in seeing the first material that we put in the battery of the future that is completely designed using AI. I would like to see the candidates that we choose from are completely 100% screened in silico using machine learning and using ML AI models. I'm not worried about how many years it takes. I think there's a lot to do. There's a lot of interesting science problems to be solved. There's a lot of interesting engineering problems that will come after we solve the science problems. And yeah, the industrialization will be the most exciting piece. Just taking something like this to producing thousands of kilometers of material that goes into batteries, that eventually goes into cars and all the other things we use that are battery powered is an exciting prospect.